How to start a group session on your Spotify account right now with our PC. So let's start this video without any further delay. To do this thing, what you have to do is open the Spotify app here in front of you, and you will see the home page here. And what you have to do is easily click on the right top of the screen. There is a friend option, add friends or remove friends. From this, you can find the followers you're listening to on your Spotify account. Also, you can set setting or enable share my listening activity on Spotify so that your all the friends will be able to see that which song you're hearing to right now. So this is all about the setting of friends activity on my Spotify account. I will simply click on add friend option to add any friend, and I can connect with my Facebook account to do this or complete this thing. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.